Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing a program to enter two numbers and swap them using functions. So let us start the program. In the beginning, I have to import a package to enter. I will be importing the java.util package since I'll be using the scanner class. Next, I have to give a class name. Let me take it as capital ABC. Then I will be declaring a function. Let me say void swap. Here I will be taking two variables as parameters. Inside the swap function, I am going to declare another variable c to swap the two integers a and b which are passed as parameters. What is the step? What are the steps? C equals to A equals to B, and then B equals to the original value C. Then I will write system dot out dot println the swapped numbers are. I'll write A and then with space, let me take as /t here. It will include one tab space here and B. This is the end of the function. In the beginning, I will be printing, before doing the swapping in these three statements, I will be printing the original values also here. System dot out dot println the original numbers are A with a /t B. Original numbers will be printed, then they will be swapped, then the swap number C. Original values of A will be printed here, A and B, and then the swapped values. Here a plus sign is missing. After this, I will be writing the main function. Public static void main string args. Here I will be declaring a scanner class object. Also, I will be declaring an object of a class ABC. Let me say OB equals to new ABC. Why have I declared the object of the class? Because through this object, I will be calling the function swap. Since this is a non-static function, it has to be called using the object of the class. Now I will be taking two variables here, x and y, in which I will be entering the values. Now I'll write system dot out dot println enter two integers. So the first integer will come in x variable and the second integer will come in the y variable. Now after this, what is to be done? These variables x and y are to be passed into the function swap. That means the function will be called and x and y will be passed here. I hope this function call is clear. I am calling the function swap using the object of the class. The object of the class is OB and I am passing x and y. So the value of x will be copied into A. The value of y should be copied into B. X and y should also be integer type since these parameters here are also integer type. X and y are called as actual parameters. A and B are called as formal parameters. X and y, this statement is called the function call statement. I am writing here. Function call. This is the function call. It is not returning any value, it is printing here itself. After this, I am closing the brace for main and I am closing the brace for class. The class name is ABC. So I will be saving this file, save as capital ABC dot Java. Now let us go to the command prompt and see the output. I am writing clear screen first, then I am writing Java C ABC dot Java. No errors. Java, this is execution. Execution is done using the Java. No class found. Load class main ABC. That means there is an error here. Class ABC. Okay. While saving, I have made a mistake. I have written a comma instead of dot. See, small mistake. ABC.java. It should be dot. I have saved it again. Yes. Okay. I'm going to the command prompt again. Clear screen in the beginning. Then I'm writing Java abc.java. So there is a mistake here. Brace expected in the end. So do the correction here. Save it again. Java C abc.java. No mistake now. Java ABC capitals. Enter two integers. Let me take it as 5 and 10. Original numbers are 5 and plus 10 and the swapped numbers are 10 and 5. So our program is correct. We have got the original numbers and we have got the swapped numbers. I hope you all must have understood how we pass two integers here. Thank you, children.